Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a Vega bubble hair curler. First, make sure your hair is completely clean, dry, and free of tangles. This prepares your hair for the best results. Next, apply a good quality heat protectant spray throughout your hair. This crucial step shields your strands from heat damage. Finally, plug in your bubble curler and let it heat up for about 60 seconds to reach its optimal temperature. Now, let's get to curling. Begin by dividing your hair into small, manageable sections, ideally 1 to 2 inches wide. This ensures each curl forms beautifully. Take one section, open the curler's clamp, and carefully place the hair between the bubble and the barrel. Then, wrap the entire section of hair smoothly around the bubble, making sure it's evenly distributed for a consistent curl pattern. To achieve lasting, bouncy curls, hold the curler in place for about 5 to 10 seconds. The exact time depends on your hair type and desired curl intensity. Once ready, gently release the clamp and carefully slide the curler downwards, away from your newly formed curl. It's super important to let each curl cool down completely before you touch or style it. This cooling process helps to set the curl's shape. Once all your curls have cooled, it's time for the finishing touches. For a softer, more natural look, gently separate the curls using just your fingers. Avoid using a brush, as this can loosen the defined bubble shape. To ensure your beautiful curls last all day, finish with a light mist of hairspray. This will help hold them in place without making them stiff or crunchy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.